This is the first time I sing after I came back from Eurovision. And I'm doing it on this stage, at this square. But most importantly, we need to bring our hostages back home because there is no more time left. I was waiting for the moment to sing October Rain, and it is my prayer to bring everyone back home. And I will not stop making our voice heard in Israel and all over the world until we bring everyone back home safely. Writers of the history, stand with me. Look into my eyes and see. People go away but never say goodbye. Someone stole the moon tonight, took my light. Everything is black and white. Who's the fool who told you boys don't cry? Hours and flowers. Life is no game for the cowards. Why? The time goes by. Every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride, dancing in the storm. We got nothing to hide. Take me home and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me that never again. I'm still wet from this October rain. October living in a fantasy, ecstasy, everything is meant to be. We should pass, but love will never die. Hours and flowers. Life is no game for the cowards. Why? The time goes wild. Every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride, dancing in the storm. We got nothing to hide. Take me home and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me that never again. I'm still wet from this October rain. October rain. October rain. Baby, promise me that never again. I'm still wet from this October rain. October rain. נשאר לנשום, אין מקום, אין אותי מיום ליום. כולם ילדים טובים אחד אחד. Bring them back home now.